Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raihatin Nikma. I'm from class TBEI. Today, I would like to tell about current teaching methodology in vocabulary. Learning vocabulary is an important stage of learning a language. The more word learners know, the more they will be able to understand what they hear and read, and the better they will be able to say what they want to express with speaking and writing. But it happens that sometimes students have problems to memorize and internalize the vocabulary easily and in a very fast way. The low desire of students to learn is a heavy problem that needs a good way to solve, and the teachers are demanded to be good and active. This should create an interesting classroom atmosphere and put a particular effort in more fully preparing material and activities to introduce vocabulary. Not only give the material or keep explaining in front of the class without considering the student character and needs, but some teachers still have not realized it yet. Okay, next, we want to tell about what is the definition of vocabulary. The basic unit in learning language is word or vocabulary. Peirce claimed that vocabulary means a list of words with their meaning, glossary, sum of words used in a language or particular books or a branch of science. Brown describes vocabulary as a list or a set of words for a particular language. Vocabulary as the basic component of language has an important role in teaching English. M.C. Cart stated that learning a language without vocabulary might result a meaningless way in some communication. It shows that vocabulary has an important role in communication, both in written and oral. On the other word, vocabulary is also important as the building block of the four language skill: writing, speaking, listening, and reading. Next, teaching vocabulary for young learners. In learning vocabulary, young learners start with knowing a word. It focuses on the word form and the meaning. Young learner will be easier to acquire the vocabulary through visual techniques such as picture, photograph, demonstration, and so on. In addition, to use a dictionary also help students to get the meaning of a word they do not know. To help the young learner in the learning process, the teacher's role is needed. On the other words, teacher has a great role in building the young learner vocabulary. Somehow, teaching vocabulary is not an easy thing to do. Moreover, teaching vocabulary to young learners is different from the teacher adult. This is because different age has become the main considering in treating them differently as the teacher subject. Therefore, teacher has to consider the factor in teaching such as approach, method, technique, and strategy in order they can convey the material in accordance with the children's characters. In teaching English vocabulary for young learners, there are many different ways or kind of technique that can be used by teachers, such as using picture, oral object, demonstration, translation, dictionary, and etc. However, teaching and learning English vocabulary has been neglected by the teacher who use the inappropriate techniques, accidentally prefer to teach English grammar rather than teaching vocabulary as a spirited lesson. Next, we want to tell about teaching methodology in vocabulary. The first is teaching methodology through Total Physical Response or TPR method. Total Physical Response or TPR is a set of methods developed by Dr. Johannes G. Azar, teacher of psychology of the State University of St. Giles, with the purpose of developing an efficient technique for the learning, teaching, or language. The method was originated based on the assumption that when an additional language is learned, this language is internalized through a process of decoding similar to the development of the first language. TPR is a language learning method which is based on the coordination of speech and action. It is like to the trans theory of memory, which holds the more often or intensively a memory connection is stretched, the stronger memory will be. In TPR classroom, the student respond to commands that require physical movement. The student introduce new vocabulary to student accompanied by interaction which will then be followed by student. This method is very easy and fun to help students remember their vocabulary and practice their vocabulary. TPR was developed in order to improve the better result of teaching learning process of a new language. Teachers who use TPR believe in the importance of having the student enjoy their experience in learning to communicate a foreign language. And the second is teaching vocabulary using picture as strategy. In teaching and learning process, the rule of using picture as strategy have become the best choice in teaching English, especially in vocabulary to the elementary school or in young learners. Pictures are important to help students in learning English vocabulary and memorize the meaning. Or say the visual have an important function as aid to learning simple because they attract students' attention and help encourage them to focus on the subject. Rick stated that picture and play a key role in motivating students conceptualizing the language they are using, giving them a reference and helping to discipline the activity. Pictures are useful to focus the students' attention to image on what the text say. Pictures are not images. A picture should contain only what the words mean. Using picture is also an effort to help students to understand and comprehend something clearly and easily. However, teaching using picture have an important role in the understanding. It means that using picture can be a good technique in teaching English vocabulary to students, especially of young learners. That's all for me. Thank you for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.